you're like me, you don't carry a checkbook or much cash. Ever wish the offering plate had a card reader on it so you could give? Well, now it does, sort of. Beginning today, we'll have a giving kiosk in the lobby. It's very easy to use, and you can make donations using your debit or check card. Let me demonstrate. On the home screen, simply touch Give Now. That will take you to the next screen and let you choose the General Fund, the Building Mortgage Fund, Missions, Deacon's Discretionary Fund, or Other. For this demonstration, I choose General Fund. I want to give $10. I can hit Give Now or change the budget. I chose Give Now, but I want to add more to my gift. I don't want to process the payment yet. So I add more to my gift. I go to Missions. I get $10 again. And I want that to go to CODEP. It's important to put that in so we'll know what mission project you want this to go to. And I have Give Now. The choice then is to hit Add More to Gift or Process Payment. I'm giving $10 to General Fund, $10 in missions, $20 total. I hit Process Payment. After the card reader comes up, it asks me to swipe my card. I want to put it in using the MasterCard or Visa symbol in the upper right hand corner. It tells me to put in my email address. This is my home email address. I'm done. I hit Process Donation, and it says transaction was successful, thank you, and it's going to send me an email. And now I'm finished. Another option is text to give from your cell phone by texting 321-710-4859. You'll receive a text back with a link to create a login that will allow you to text donations also using your debit or check card.